If only I could finish something, run straight through to the end, close the chapter dignified. Damn girl, you did it again. shadows danced and time would cheat. The clock stood still. The air was sweet. Every word, it felt like rain, soft and warm, but leaves a stain. Oh, love, it's an endless road. No math, no signs, no heavy load. Oh, love, it's where we collide. Two hearts, no place to hide. Your laugh, it cuts like glass and wine, sharp and bright, but so divine. A broken melody, yet it's mine. Every touch, it burned like fire, a fleeting ache of fierce desire. Love, it's an endless road. No map, no signs, no heavy load. Oh, love, it's where we collide. Two hearts, no place to hide.
Okay.